Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel, WhatVwant, a technology vlog for how-to videos, tips, reviews, and many more. Are you thinking about how to insert PDF into Excel? Then this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you 4 stunning ways to insert PDF into Excel. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Embedded object. Open the Excel file that you want to insert PDF file using Microsoft Excel. Click on Insert option. Select the Object option from the text tools. Object window will appear on the screen. Select the Create from File tab, and click on the Browse option. Open window will appear on the screen. Navigate and select the PDF file. The name of the selected file will appear on the screen. Enable the Display icon option. Finally, click on OK. That's it. The document will appear in the Excel sheet in the form of an icon. Number 2. Linked object. Open the Excel sheet using Microsoft Excel. Click on the Insert option. Select the object from the text section. A pop-up window will appear on the screen. Tap on Create from File tab, and click on the Browse option. An open window will appear on the screen. Navigate and select the PDF file that you want to insert into Excel file. Enable the link to file and display as icon options. Finally, click on OK. That's it. The document will appear in the Excel sheet in the form of an icon. Number 3. As an image. You can insert the PDF into Excel as an image. For that, you need to convert PDF to image. Go through the video tutorial on how to convert PDF to image. Link is provided in the description. Once the completion of converting PDF to image, let's see how to insert image to Excel. Open the Excel file or else create a new file using the Microsoft Excel. Choose the cell where you want to insert image. Select the Insert option, and click on Pictures icon. Insert Picture window will appear on the screen. Navigate and select the image that you want to insert, and click on Insert option. Adjust the cell to the image size or else adjust the image. Finally, select Ctrl+S on your keyboard to save the document. That's it. Number 4. Excel. Another best way to insert PDF into an Excel is converting PDF into Excel. For that, first you need to convert PDF to Excel. Go through the video tutorial on how to convert PDF to Excel. Link is provided in the description. Once the completion of converting PDF to Excel. Now, let's see how to insert converted PDF into Excel. Open the 2 Excel sheets that you want to combine using Microsoft Excel. Select any one of the Excel sheets. Click on the Format option under Home tab. Select the Move or Copy Sheet option from the drop-down menu. Move or Copy window will appear on the screen. Click on the To Box window. You will find the opened Excel sheets in the list. Select the Excel sheet. Choose the Move to End option. Enable the Create a Copy option. Finally, click on OK. You will find 2 Excel sheets side by side. That's it. For more information, visit our article. Link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if it is helpful for you. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Click on the bell icon to turn on notifications.